This program identified 400 patients who would receive free fit test kits. We estimate roughly that between 5 to 10% of these fit tests will be positive.
Some people say, if I don't know about it, I don't have to deal with it, but you will eventually have to deal with it. So encouraging them to get screened, to try to prevent or at least be aware of what may be going on in their body. I did not have any symptoms. I had no pain, and so it was just that routine screening. And I'm just so thankful for that, because you don't know unless you're doing the routine kinds of things that you need to do to detect.
By engaging with our community partners, we are trying to attend these community events where we hope to not only spread awareness, but hopefully we can distribute fit test kits that can then lead to further identification of patients who benefit from screening.